Welcome back to campustech. If you want to customize your lock screen like this, you can edit whatever you want. You can add all kind of text. Look at this. So you can see this is hi, thanks for watching. If you want to do this, so this video is for you. So just go into the setting. In the setting, you need here you'll find focus menu. Go into the focus menu. So this is the focus menu. So just on the right upper corner, add button, do the custom, and you can set any name. So let's say I'm just putting campustech here, and just hit the next button, and you can customize these focus settings according to your requirement, but I'm just going as is. So this is what he activated. You can schedule it and you can do per minute how you can activate. So we just added the focus. Okay, this one is coming. So how we can change it? So just go on the right upper corner, slide down, you'll find this is a focus menu. Just you'll see this is just campustech. Just hit on it and it's on. Make sure it's on. When it's on, so you'll see it says the campustech. So you can put your name and you can add whatever you want. If you like that video, thumbs up. See you in the next video.